Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery level for your headphones JBL Wave 100 TWS on your iOS device. To check it you should add a widget. So scroll right. Now click on empty space, edit, add widget, scroll down and click on batteries. Now choose the best one for you, let's say that, add widget, and here we go. Just remember to connect your headphones to your phone. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!